How's it going, everybody? This is Clem Carson, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about garden hoses, how to set them up, which ones to get, and why you need them in your pressure washing business. When I first started my business, setting up garden hoses was kind of complicated, so I kind of wish I had a video for me to look back on and figure out how to do it in a very simple way, so that's my plan for this video. First off, let's get the obvious out of the way. The garden hose space management is second to none. I mean, look how much space this is, guys. And this is coming from someone who hasn't had hose reels before. This gets everywhere, and it's a pain in the butt to have to manage. These, they'll do it for you, and they're super inexpensive. So these garden hoses right here are from Amazon. Same with the one over here. We'll get to that one in a second, but I'll leave Amazon links in the description for everyone if you're wanting to purchase them. But yeah, I've been using all these for over a year now, and I really like them. They're very simple. Also, this hose too is very cheap as well. It's on Amazon. It's called Spec Light. It's a 200-foot hose, and it's about $100, and that's really good price for that amount of hose. If you're also looking for a good hose as well, I highly recommend this orange one. Plus, it looks super pretty. I mean, it looks really good. Of course, these hose reels are just bolted to some wood that's bracketed to the trailer. So that's very simple stuff, but when it comes to the actual hose reel, I'll show you what to do. So obviously the 200-foot hoses come with a spigot side and come with the outward side. This part right here is actually the outside of the hose, meaning that this is where, like, you know, I would shoot water from a normal garden hose. But what I did is I used these PVC cutters, again, they're from Amazon, and I snipped off the edge of this hose, and I got a garden hose repair kit. So now I have two sides of the hoses that I can use for spigots, because that's very important. Because once I take this out here, let me show you. Yeah, guys, I was not lying when I said this was a lot of hose, if you didn't believe me. Alrighty, guys, let's take a look here. As you can see, that is the side that actually goes into the spigot. But if you're observant enough, that's also one that can go into the spigot. Take the actual spigot side of the garden hose, and I use it for the hose reel. And then, of course, this is angled in a certain way to once I reel this up, it's not going to like crimp or anything. You know, you don't have to use barbs or anything. You could just use the normal spigot side, and it rolls up effortlessly. Here, let me show you how effortlessly it rolls up. Even with this hose being super cold because it's winter right now, I can just effortlessly reel it up. It's very cold, so. Guys, these are some really, really good hose reels. I highly, highly recommend using these. I haven't had any problems with them at all. You might think this amount of hose is overkill, but trust me, guys, some spigots are in the back of the house, and you're not going to be able to reach them without 200 foot of hose. So it's actually very necessary to get this amount of hose. Sorry to interrupt here, guys, but I got to tell you about today's sponsor for this video, Markate. Markate is the best CRM on the market. That stands for Customer Relationship Management. And it's basically like having a little tiny partner in your back pocket that helps you run your business for you. And that's not an exaggeration at all, my friends. Markate can log your clients, plan your schedule, plan your route, manage your leads, expenses, estimates, you name it. They got your back for everything. And one of my favorite things that Markate offers to everyone is a virtual estimate feature. Here, let me show you guys. Like in this example right here, I'm going around the property, getting the area and distance, so I know exactly how to charge and be fair every single time. Let's say I like to charge per square foot. Now I can get a very accurate square footage of what I want to clean, so I can make sure my prices are consistent every single time, because that's very important, guys. No matter which way you want to look at it, Markate is a huge asset in your business. You can get 14 days free and $20 off your first month using my link in the description or the link of my YouTube page. Thank you for Markate for sponsoring this video. They're a huge help. You guys got to go check them out. See? Easy peasy. And then, like I said earlier, I just snip this side with the PVC cutters and then just use a garden hose kit. And now I can have another spigot side where I can just twist this, pop it onto anyone's spigot, and then I have water flowing to my pressure washer. Plain and easy. Very simple. Make sure too, whenever you snip them, you put a garden hose clamp on it, because it's very important that it doesn't slip off. Also, you're going to need some garden hose O-rings. I'll show a picture of them. You can get this from Amazon as well. They're in right here. They fall off all the time. Usually they're black. These ones are orange, but you're absolutely going to need those. They will not flow water effectively at all unless you have them, because there's been plenty of times where they just fell and I lose them. So make sure you get plenty of them. They're super cheap. And then for the pressure washer side, as you can see, this is the feed line that goes from the hose reel to the pressure washer. And as you can see, I just have a really tiny hose. So that is the end of the hose right there. Not a spigot side at all. And that fits perfectly inside the hose reel. And what you can do is you can just snip off. Here, I'll zoom in for you. And as you can see right there at the end, I have a barb that's screwed into my pressure washer, and then I have 2 hose clamps. Again, I just use the PVC cutters. I snipped it, and then I put it over that barb right there, and I hose clamped it twice, and I haven't had any problems with it leaking, and it feeds my pressure washer a lot of water. It's very good. Now I'm pivoting over to the high pressure hose reels, because if you're going to need a normal hose reel, you're going to need a high pressure one for pressure washing for the exact same reason of space management, and it's super nice. At the end of the job, you're able just to reel up all the hoses, and it saves you so much backache because it's not hard to reel these puppies up at all. This comes with a little pin right here. You can just pull it out. All right, you can just pull the pin out like that, and then you're good to start reeling. Let me find the end of it. There it is. And this is just 50 foot, so this will take no time at all. So this hose reel right here comes with a whip line. Basically what a whip line is it's actually supposed to connect right here, and then that will fit to your pressure washer. But what I use it as is I don't want this hose reel kinking or, crunching up. So what I use in the whip line is very flexible. So I put the whip inside of the hose reel, and you can screw it in right there, and it comes out. So you can see it right there. It just comes out of this hole. And since it's so flexible, it's able to bend over the hose reel, no problem, like that. And then what I do is I just take this out when I'm at a job, and then just hook it directly to my pressure washer. You don't have to do that. That's just what I do. You can obviously have a whip line right here and then have the actual high pressure hose inside it and use it that way. But very simple stuff, guys. This is just a simple quick connect and a simple pin, and then you can use to lock it. There's these little holes right here that the pin will go through and lock it so it won't move. I'll show you. See? Now it's locked. So this hose reel is a little bit more expensive than those, but I highly, highly recommend getting it. It's definitely a non-negotiable, and I highly recommend whatever this brand is. Again, it'll be in the link below. And then of course, I highly recommend this high pressure hose as well. 50 foot. I have multiple 50 foot sections, but you can also get a 200 foot long one as well. That one works just as fine, but I prefer the 50 foot ones. But yeah, this one's really good. I highly recommend getting that one. And that's pretty much it, guys. I remember back in the day, I was very confused on how this stuff works. I just want to make a quick video explaining everything in detail as much as I can. Again, if you have any questions, please ask them. I'll no hesitate to answer them. If you guys are looking to start a pressure washing business this year, I have the pressure washing masterclass in the description. That is my community. It is at $20 a month, and I'll tell you exactly how to run a business with one-on-one mentorship, a 240-minute beginner program, as you how to land exclusive leads, high-income homeowners. I do Q&As. I do private videos on there. I do a whole lot of stuff there. I spend a lot of time on there, so I highly recommend that you guys check it out with a 7-day free trial in the description. I want to thank you guys for watching and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and this has been Clayton Carson. I'm out. If you have any other questions, please ask me in the comments.